What does equity opening balance mean in Gnucash, also known as Gnucash? So equity on its own stands for your net worth. So it's all of your assets minus all of your liabilities and debts to make your net worth figure. But what about opening balances? What should I be using this for? Well, I'm going to explain it in this quick video. So using these example figures, I'm going to, for example's sake, say that I have a bank account with £10,000 in it, and I am currently wanting to put this into Gnucash. Well, if we think about it, if I double click on the generic bank account, savings account, and I put in starting figure for my savings account, and I put £10,000 in there, well, that's fine and all. It will show up in my assets, and it will also update my equity. Oh wait, it doesn't update my equity. Look at that. So I just put £10,000 into my savings account, but the issue is it doesn't link up to anything else. That's where the issue starts. If I click on transfer here, there's nothing that lines up with what I want to put in the accounting software. This wasn't a gift. This wasn't an expense. This money seems to have come from nowhere, and it creates a black hole in the accounting software. And we get this section here, imbalanced GBP, because it's not accounted for. So that is not the correct way to do it. We don't want to just put a random £10,000 sum into our savings account, because the accounting software, Gnucash, doesn't know where this came from. It's going to create a lot of problems. So we're going to delete that. Delete. And now we're going to head over to equity. So as well as equity being your net worth sum, you can also use it as a tool, which it should be used for, to enter your beginning balances of when you start your accounting period. So maybe at the start of every tax year, you want to make a new Gnucash document, or you just want to add a new asset that you haven't already included. Well, that's what this is used for. So we double click on opening balances, and now I can type in opening balance for savings account, generic savings account, and then I can transfer this to generic bank name savings account, and then we put an increase by £10,000, and then we click on enter. So now, because we have entered the opening balance for this equity, first of all, it will update in your equity, and there's no imbalance of money. So everything is working as intended. If I go over to my current account, savings account, the money is now here. It's accounted for. It's being sent over from opening balances. So there's no black hole in the accounting software. Everything's accounted for, and it's not going to mess things up. So the takeaway is, if you are adding an asset, do not just put increased money into the account. You need to have it inputted from opening balances, and this will make sure that your net worth is correct and the double accounting system is intact. The money has come from our opening balance, and like I said, this makes it a lot easier for when you start new accounting periods. For example, if you were to start a new document every tax year. So I really hope this did help you to understand equity, and I know it wasn't the best explanation, but I hope for beginners, novices and the like, I hope it got the message across on how to use it. Thank you for watching. If this video helped, then you can always leave a super thanks. This will help me to pay off my student debts, and you also get a cool highlighted message in the comments to display your generosity. But nevertheless, I really hope this did help you, and I shall see you later.